ABC category and tail spend management. In the initial phase of source-to-pay process, when sourcing team wanted to have a better control over all purchases that were made by the organizations, the sourcing team used to categorize all purchases into A, B, and C category. Let us understand ABC category to better understand the current requirement of tail spend management or TSM. ABC category. A category involves products and services that are of high value. Out of all the products and services that the organization bought, the A category products and services amount to almost 20% of total quantity. However, adding up to 80% of the total price value. As we see that these products and services are of high value, purchasing these products and services required additional control to ensure that A category products and services are only bought if absolutely necessary, and also ensure that the A category products and services are utilized efficiently. This meant that the company does not keep higher level of stock belonging to these categories and only buy when they are absolutely necessary. These products and services also face higher level of customization as these products help companies to have competitive advantage in the market. Let us take an example. Let us say that a company named XYZ is in technology business and provides cloud-based services to its clients. In order to ensure that its client receive high quality of cloud-based service such as storage, speed and security, the XYZ company buys high quality and customized servers and highly secured networks. Now these purchases are core to the organization as it needs to ensure that the servers are bought in accordance to the need and that it functions at the required level. Hence, the sourcing team categorizes such purchases as A category and carefully studies the product specification, preferred suppliers, and so on. It also signs a non-disclosure agreement with the supplier to ensure that the product information is not shared with other organizations and also that similar products should not be sold to any other organization. These products are bought only when they are required as non-usage of a server is very expensive and unaffordable to the company.
There are a number of aspects, there are a number of types of law which one may come across in the course of the carrying on of a business. This would include criminal law, civil law, also what is called substantive law, procedural law. These four laws are subjects which most individuals and businesses would encounter on a regular basis when they undertake business activities. There are certain other issues known as international law and municipal law and public law and private law. Most businesses would be unlikely to face a circumstance where they have to deal with international law and municipal law or public law. However, in businesses which have cross-border transactions and especially in shipping contracts, there is a great degree of international law which would have to be applied. However, that is not relevant for the present context and the present session, and therefore that is not being gone into.
Using ABC analysis in spend data management. One of the most widely used classification method for identifying focus areas for supplier and item spend is the ABC analysis. The ABC or spend profile analysis helps segregate suppliers or inventory into three categories. Category A for few important suppliers or inventory, 70% of spending or inventory. Then, Category B for the middle range, 25% of spending or inventory. And Category C for the last category, 10% of spending or inventory. The actual percentages may vary depending upon the organization and industry. In addition to the ABC analysis, organizations also extensively use the supply positioning model as a classification tool. Sample output of spend analysis.
Catalogue Hosting. Catalogue hosting is allowing the buyer organization to access the supplier website so that the buyer organization can view catalog items and raise purchase requisitions. The buyer organization agrees to follow the supplier catalog to appear in buyer's organization only when there are hundreds of products that the supplier is supplying to the buyer organization. It is also used when the supplier is a large supplier and has a dominant role in the marketplace. Example, 3M, a global market provider of a range of industrial and specialty products, hosts its catalog for buyers' organizations to use. Catalog hosting is also prevalent for relatively lower price standard items which are bought by many requesters across many divisions of organizations. Let's take an example of a stationery item. Let's say that a specific blue pen costing rupees 10 is out of stock, and the supplier could inform the buyer about this after 12 hours of the stock out, which the procurement department from the buyer organization updates the catalog after 2 hours, stating that the item is out of stock. There is a delay in the flow of information by 14 hours. Here, the end customers are the buying organization's employees. And let us say some requesters who want the blue pen costing INR 10 have checked the catalog where it shows that the blue pen is available for ordering, and they have placed a request during the day and orders reach the supplier who would be unable to fulfill the requirements. This causes inconvenience both to the requester and the supplier due to lag in flow of information.